going to present you some cases where AI or machine learning can help to reduce this COVID-19, and it will help to the doctors also, to the medical staff and all the other researchers also, to how to fight this pandemic in this situation. So I'm going to present my topic. Just give me a minute. I will share my screen. Just a minute. And thank you the organizers of the show for letting me allow for presenting my views over this COVID-19. First of all, we all know as 2 days are already happened in this COVID-19 situation. We are organizing this. We are also listening various speakers, various invitees, and they have if they had told us various things about this. I am not from the medical professional, but still I want to throw some light on this coronavirus. What is this? This is the outbreak of COVID-19, which was originated in China, and the virus has already infected lakhs of people around the world. And this virus is responsible for global pandemic. And this virus starts from it is also called for SARS-CoV-2, which is severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2. And it is called 2 because it is genetically similar to SARS coronavirus, which was outbreak in 2002. Now, if I would like to also tell, which already you know, that it begins to the virus circulate among humans have already begun but in India we are still having some safety because it is not the community spread in India, but in all other places in the world it is affecting lakhs and lakhs of people, and it is common, and it is the symptoms of is very common for common cold illnesses, and then it is developed to severe viruses also. Now my topic is the role of AI in COVID-19. In this worldwide health crisis, the medical industry is definitely looking for new technologies, although they are trying their best to suit the patients to which medicines they can adopt. Doctors are doing their tremendous outspoken jobs 24 hours by 7. They are doing their jobs, but now it is the time for the medical industry to look for the new technologies to monitor and control the spread of this COVID-19 pandemic. AI is one of the such technology which can easily track the spread of this virus, which can identify the high risk patients, and is also useful for controlling this infection in the real world. I would like to throw the light on the main applications of AI. What is AI? Is the artificial intelligence which can help in COVID-19 pandemic. The first main applications of AI in COVID-19 is it can early detect and diagnose the infection. AI can quickly analyze irregular symptoms and other red flags, and thus alarm the patients and the healthcare authorities. It also helps to provide faster decision making, which is very cost effective. It helps to develop a new diagnosis and management system for the COVID-19 cases through useful algorithms. Artificial intelligence is helpful in the diagnosis of infected cases with the help of medical imaging technologies like CT, computed tomography, magnetic resonance imaging, MRI scan of human body parts. The second main application of artificial intelligence in this COVID-19 pandemic is monitoring the treatment. Artificial intelligence can build an intelligent platform for automatic monitoring and prediction of the spread of this virus. A neural network, which is artificial neural network, which is similar to we can say it can work similar to the neurons which we have in our brains. We can train that network by algorithms, by feeding some training cases to them, and it can help to extract the useful visual features of this disease, and it would also help in proper monitoring and treatment of the affected individuals. It has the capability of providing day-to-day updates of the patients and also can provide solutions to the this pandemic. Third main application of artificial intelligence is contact tracing of the individuals. AI can help analyze the level of infections by this virus, identifying the clusters and hotspots, and can successfully do the contact tracing of the individuals and also to monitor them. It can predict the future course of this disease and likely reappearance. In this way, it can help in contact tracing. The next application of artificial intelligence is projection of cases and mortality. This technology can track and forecast the nature of the virus from the available data, social media and media platforms about the risk of the infection and its likely spread further. It can predict the number of positive cases and death in any region. AI can help identify the most vulnerable regions, people and countries, and can take measures accordingly. So these are the 4 main important applications, although there are some more applications. The next one is the development of drugs and vaccines. AI is used for drug research also by analyzing the available data on this pandemic. It is useful for drug delivery design and development. This technology is used in speeding up the drug testing in real time, where standard testing takes plenty of time and hence helps to accelerate this process significantly, which is not as much possible as done by the human. It can also help to identify useful drugs for the treatment of COVID-19 patients. It has become a powerful tool for diagnostic test designs and vaccination development. AI helps in developing vaccines and treatment as much of faster rate than usual, and it's also helpful for clinical trials during the development of the vaccine. The next application is reducing the workload of the health workers. Due to a sudden and massive increase in the number of patients during COVID-19 pandemic, healthcare professionals have a very high workload. Here, AI is used to reduce the workload of the health workers. It helps in early diagnosis and providing treatment at an early stage using digital approaches and decision science, which offers the best training to students, medical students especially, and doctors regarding this new disease. AI can impact future patient care and address more potential challenges, which reduces the workload of the doctors. And the next and the last main application of this AI is prevention of the disease. With the help of real-time data analysis, AI can provide updated information, which is helpful in the prevention of this disease. It can be used to predict the probable sites of infection, the influx of the virus, need of beds and healthcare professionals during this crisis. AI is helpful for the future virus and disease preventions. With the help of previous mentored data over data prevalent at different time, it identifies traits, causes and reasons for the spread of infection. In future, this will become an important technology to fight against the other epidemics and pandemics. It can provide a preventive measure and fight against many other diseases. In future also, AI will help play a vital role in providing more predictive and preventive health care. This is the diagram which shows, this is a flow chart actually, which shows how AI can help the approach for treating patients or for curing the patients, for identifying the patients at early stages than any other humans without AI approach can do. We can see that from the diagram that there are some few steps, and the early detection of patients can be easily done using this artificial intelligence technology. Now I want to conclude with some observations of this technology and COVID-19, that considering the present global situation, IoT, which is Internet of Things based smart disease surveillance systems, have the potential to be a major breakthrough in efforts to control the current pandemic. With much of the infrastructure itself in place already, which is smartphones, internet access, wearable technologies, the role of AI, machine learning and Internet of Things can have in limiting the spread of the epidemic involves only the collection and analysis of the data already gathered. The combined role of IoT and newly related technologies might shape early recognition of outbreaks and prevent the spread of infectious diseases if potential steps are taken to enhance and utilize the data. For example, as government, we already know about the Arogya Setu app, which also uses somewhat this technology to diagnose the patients, to find out how much the situation is critical about the patients, and to identify and to send its information to the government so that they can take preventive actions against it. Also, my conclusion is the AI is an upcoming and useful tool to identify early infections due to the coronavirus, and also helps in monitoring the conditions of the infected patients. It can significantly improve the treatment consistency and decision making by developing useful algorithms. AI is not only helpful in the treatment of COVID-19 but also for their proper health monitoring, as I already told about the Arogya Setu app, which can also be taken for this, and it is background. It is also using some machine learning algorithms for taking the monitoring help, because it utilizes the data, whatever the data that app is gathering, it analyze the data, visualize the data, and then take preventive actions for that. It can track also the crisis of COVID-19 at different scales, such as medical, molecular and epidemiological applications. AI can help in developing proper treatment regimes, preventing strategies, drug and vaccine development. So my views over it is till this, and if you have any questions you can ask me, and